If you are watching this video, I take it that you are interested in challenging the current placement of your child, or your child is interested in challenging their current placement in their 6th grade math class. What we are going to do this summer is we are going to focus your efforts in Khan Academy as far as preparing for the test is concerned. The test will be paper and pencil, and the curriculum should very much follow what Khan Academy lays out in their scope and sequence. So if your child is currently placed in Math 6 and would like to demonstrate proficiency in the Math 6 curriculum in order to be placed into Math 7, when we get to the Khan Academy screen, they would choose to study the 6th grade material. If your child is currently placed in Math 7 and wishes to demonstrate proficiency in the 7th grade material, in order to be placed in pre-algebra, they would use the 7th grade Khan Academy curriculum. When they go into Khan Academy, and they can most likely get there from Clever, they have probably been there while in school this year. Under the Home tab, there may be some assignments left over from the year, but there should be something that says My Courses. You can edit that and add or take away courses. You have to have at least one that's there. But the courses that we will be concentrating on are 6th grade and 7th grade. You'll use one of those two. I'll leave them both up on the screen. When you go into these courses, they are going to lay out practice, video, quizzes, and all of the areas that are covered in these scope and sequences. So for instance, if I go into 6th grade because I'm interested in demonstrating proficiency in the 6th grade material, I may consider starting by practicing a topic like equivalent ratios. If I get to the practice and it's familiar, or I have somewhere run across it before, I should be able to go into those problems and score at least proficient. If I get to the practice and the material looks unfamiliar, I have two choices. I can go to the lesson page, or I can go back and look to see if there's a video on the topic. When I go to the lesson page, what you'll often find is that the practice is listed, equivalent ratio word problems, and then above it are listed other practices or notes or videos that build on each other to the point where you should have the foundation necessary to be successful at these problems. So your entire curriculum will be laid out here. Your skill summary for this particular topic will be on your left. Now, if you go back to 6th grade, you'll see a course summary listed here. You can see are the topics in this course, in the 6th grade course, and the progress in each one of these areas. You can get to each one of these areas by clicking directly on it. My recommendation would be to go through one topic at a time, but this has all of the material, or most of the material, that you're going to see on the paper and pencil final that we are going to give in here. I believe if you prepare using all of this, you will be prepared or over-prepared for the test that you will see. The paper and pencil challenge test we will be using is about 40 questions and has a combination of multiple choice and open-ended questions. If you do decide to take the challenge test, please make sure you contact the secretaries at Palisades Middle School and let them know the challenge test will occur sometime in August, most likely the week before school starts. We will have an exact date and time. If you have any questions, the secretaries know where to get hold of either myself or our other department head, Pam Garner, through email, and you can email us with questions, or if there's any concerns you have regarding the placement or the challenge program we've put together over the summer. Thank you.